In today's video, we're back on Facebook Marketplace. We're going to look for a budget car. We're going to do a budget transformation. I'm going to mock it up. I'm going to show you guys what I would do, and then we're going to see what it looks like in Forza. Check it out. We're going to type in a Civic. There's always something good on here. This very first one looks good. $3,200. This EK hatch. This looks pretty sweet. So we're gonna run with this car. This is $3,200. We can probably get it down to $3,000. So let's just say we pick this car up for $3,000. It runs and drives good. It's actually a pretty good base. I might have to go pick this up. It's got coilovers already. It's got some fading on the trim around it. It's got a clean interior. It's a good base, and I think it could be a perfect little project car. So we're gonna build this car with a $1,000 budget, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, and we're gonna see if we can't get ourselves a pretty sick little car for all in about $4,000. So right off the bat, I'm looking at it. I think we're going to need a paint job. We're going to need a tiny bit of body work. We're going to remove this weird bra. Looks like we need a fender here. That's dented up. So first things first, let's see if we can find a fender. And right here, $56.99. A quick break back to the real world of cars. Tell you about today's video sponsor, the Ridge wallets. You guys have probably seen this before. My carbon fiber Ridge wallet. I love this thing. Super clean, minimal design, carbon fiber design that matches my other Ridge item. This super sick key case. It flips your key out. Keeps your keychain super compact and nice. But I want to tell you about their sale that they're having right now. If you use my code ridge.com/Smplbuilds, you can get up to 40% off on their site now through December 22nd. Once again, that's ridge.com/Smplbuilds. If you don't like carbon fiber, that's okay too. They got a bunch of different styles on the website. Thanks again to the Ridge for sponsoring today's video. Let's go on to the paint job. I'll show you guys everything that we're going to need. We're going to go to Amazon. I would just mocked up everything and I put it into my cart for you guys, so it's really easy for you to see. All of this stuff will be linked on my site. So that you guys can pick up all this stuff super easily. You just go ahead, add whatever you need to the cart from the start to finish budget paint job in your driveway. Right here, we're going to start off with a Craftsman air compressor. This is what I use. It comes with everything you're going to need, including the hose. Up next, for $10, we're going to get some shop rags. We're going to need some Duplicolor prep spray to prep it down. Again, all this process is in a previous video. I'll link it here in the top corner. If you want to see how this paint process is done, we're going to need some tape and drape to tape off the windows real fast. That's $6. There's a lot of 5 red scuff pads. You're going to need these to sand down the rest of the cracks and crevices. That's about $11. Some painter's tape for $10. We're going to use this kit right here. This is the same kit. You guys can use any color you want. Just go to this shop. This is the one I used. Restoration Shop single stage paint kit. It's a gloss paint job. It has a base and clear in one, hence the name single stage. So we're going to go with the yellow here. I think the Type R's come with this yellow, kind of like spoon inspired. We're going to use this HVLP gun right here. It's a high volume, low pressure paint gun. This is the Craftsman standard that I use. I use a battery one, but this is a corded. It's a bit cheaper. And then we have some hook and loop sanding discs. That is everything we're going to need. You can see the total right here for the paint job comes to $508.36. What else do we need? We're going to find some wheels. I think we're going to find some wheels and then we're going to sell these ones. We could also paint these, but that's obviously another option. So let's see if we can find some Facebook Marketplace wheels. We're going to go to Marketplace. We're going to type in 4x100 and we're going to see what we can find because that's the bolt pattern for this car. $450. Whatever these are. These right here, Rota concaves, these look good. $700, Rota concaves, 15x7, 4x100. Wheels have no curb rash or bends. All right, these look pretty good. So $500, let's just say, I mean, you usually get away with around $100 to $200 off. Say we pick these up for around $600. Text a guy. This is what I do. I say, I'm coming. I can come today or as soon as you possibly are available. And, I'll come and then give them whatever I think my reasonable price is. Usually around $100 to $200 off. Got our wheels. We got our fender right here. And we got everything that we're going to need to do a budget paint job. We're going to mock up what this car looks like right now. And then I'm going to transform it with everything that we just discussed. And I'll show you guys what that turns out like. Without further ado, our $4,000 Honda Civic. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content for the budget-minded car enthusiast.